Good day, I'm Crisostomo Sanchez. I'm 28 years old. Now I'm living in the Philippines. I have two kids, one boy and one girl. I have 9 year experience as a welder working overseas in Saudi Arabia in 3 different companies. My first company is Alpares. I started 2011 and finished my contract on 2013. Alpares is a manufacturing of trolley and pushcart. My second company is Almaj Dewey. I started 2014 and finished my contract on 2019. Alpares is a logistic company and manufacturing of trailer chassis and tanker. My third company is Subtech. I started 2019 and finished my contract this 2025 of March. The reason I want to work abroad is for my family, for my family to give them better future, better life, and better education for my children. Thank you and have a good day.